How to connect a hidden network Wi-Fi.
A hidden network is a wireless network that isn't broadcasting its network ID, also known as SSID, to the surrounding area. While the network is active and operational, it won't appear in the list of available networks for Wi-Fi connections. That means it is invisible to all. Okay, now let's go to connect to the hidden Wi-Fi.
To connect with hidden Wi-Fi, you need to know exactly information such as network name, also called SSID, security type, and password. This video we share the way to connect to hidden Wi-Fi networks in iOS and Android. For example, a hidden network name, HEO, security type, WPLU2 personal, password, at 1234567.
Easy connect from iPhone. Open settings, tap Wi-Fi. Tap other network, and then input network name, choose security type, and password. After tap join to connect to hidden network Wi-Fi. Android connecting to, tap setting, Wi-Fi, add network. Typing network name, select security type, input password, and tap save.
Thanks for watching. Hope that this video will help you.